Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're going to be colouring up this beautiful image by Enes Guerrero. Let's pop in and have a look at it. Welcome back. I'm colouring up this image called Once Upon a Time in Yule. It was a special from the Colouring Heaven 12 Days of Christmas email special they had. It was a free image every day for 12 days over December, so 12 images over the 12 days of December, and this was actually one of them. It was by Enes Guerrero, so yeah, we're going to colour this one today. I've printed it onto Neenah Classic Crest Solar White paper, 80 pound, and I'm using Prismacolor pencils, and also I'm using some Copic markers and also a white paint pen as well. So Enes has some absolutely stunning images, and this is one of those that I really loved and I couldn't wait to get my hands on and have a go at. It is kind of like I guess it's sort of semi-grayscale. It's got a lot of detail in the line art part of it, and it kind of gives it a realistic feel in some sections as well. Even though it is like a whimsical image, it still is kind of realistic looking, and I really enjoyed doing this one. Rumour has it that Enes is actually opening up her Etsy shop again and will hopefully have some images for sale in there fairly soon. So I'm looking forward to seeing that perhaps at the end of January sometime, which is pretty awesome. It means that it makes it easier for you guys to get some images. But in the meantime, I have popped all of her contact details in the description below the video. So please make sure that you do have a look in there and check out all of those links. Also too guys, I do have a full video real time with commentary on my Patreon page. If you're interested in checking that out, please do have a look at the link below as well. There's also included with that Patreon exclusive is a color conversion chart to other brands of pencils as well as Prismacolors. So if you don't have Prismacolors but you'd like to have a go at it, then obviously you can just convert it to your own brands. I think I've got Polychromos, Black Widows and Pablo conversions at the moment. Also, while on the topic of Patreon, Enes has her own Patreon page. She also has a reward system there where she can actually give you free colouring pages, so if you want to check that out, I've also popped that with Enes's details in the description. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Sit back and enjoy this speed colouring, and I'll pop on some music for you, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Make sure you click on the little bell if you want notifications when I upload new videos. Also, click the like button, thumbs up there if you liked the video as well. Thanks so much for watching guys. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and all of those things, and come and join the Facebook group too. It'd be great to see you there. Thanks again and have a great week. Bye guys.